Here are a few different ways that you can check if a website was built on WordPress or not. So for example, here I'm on the Rolling Stones website. Now the first way that you can check this, which is probably going to be the easiest, is to just right click on the page and go to view page source or view source code, something like that. Now when you do that, you will see the code of the website. Now just do Command F or Control F and type in WP. And here you can see there are a bunch of results, but what you want to look for is stuff like this. So here, for example, it says viewport, so this is not necessarily WordPress, but if you go here, you can see WP content. That means WordPress content, meaning this website is built on WordPress. So if you can find it this way, that's probably the easiest. If you cannot find it like this, there's a few more things you can do. Now, one more way that you can check this is by after the domain here entering /wp -admin/ and then hit search, and then if it takes you to the login of the WordPress, that means it is built on WordPress. And if that doesn't work, you can also try wp-login.php/. That should also take you to WordPress if it is built on WordPress. And then one more way you can do this is by going to the following website. So it's called buildwith, so just search for buildwith.com and open it up, and then here enter the URL that you want to check. So for me, rollingstones.com, you can see all the technology their website is built with. For example, they use Google Analytics. Right here you can already see they use Yoast plugins, which is an SEO plugin for WordPress. So that already tells me they use WordPress, but if you want to know for sure, just go to their CMS, content management system, and if you find WordPress there, you can see it is built on WordPress. So if we just check this for a different website, which I think is built on Shopify, which is Gymshark, we go to gymshark.com, and on here we can see what they use for analytics. And if you scroll further down, you can see their widgets, then the languages that they support, and then you can see e-commerce. As you can see, this one is built on Shopify, meaning they don't use WordPress. Again, you can also do Command F or Control F and search for WordPress, and then nothing shows up for Gymshark since it's not built on WordPress. So now you know how to check if a website is built on WordPress. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.